Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Nothing Edited. This is part of my food haul. This is the cold stuff. Got 2 packs of ground beef, 3 containers of the eggs, another bag of apples, uh, 2 containers of orange juice. That whole stack right there is nothing but raisins. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. That's 2 cabbages and, well, I said, and a loaf of bread. Hang on, I'll show y'all the dry stuff. Okay, y'all, so here's the dried stuff. Package of spaghetti noodles, some broccoli Velveeta noodle something and another. Yep, I flipped that wrong. Some Alfredo, peanut butter, lentils, sliced carrots, fruit cocktail, sliced carrots, pork and beans, chili, another chili. No, it's just 1 chili. Grape jelly, grits, and spaghetti sauce. And that was the haul for the food bank. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and by all means leave a comment. And this is Nothing Edited, and I'm out.